In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do a boomerang on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Snapchat app, and then we need just to take our device in hand and record a short video by holding down at this button. I'm just gonna record my keyboard. Once the video is recorded, we need to search for a boomerang button here at that right side menu. It looks like these two arrows in a circle, but we need to tap right here, and then we need to tap right here again until icon turns into two arrows without that infinity symbol, just like that. Now it says bounce, and then we can select the exact part for our boomerang video by dragging it through this track or bar or timeline, how we can call it. This would be the start of our boomerang, and this would be the end. We can drag it until we find the optimal position for it. And after that, we can hit at send to send it to someone as a snap. And also we can hit right here to save this boomerang video to our camera roll. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.